So 38 minus 1 plus, so minus is equal to, here it is 38 and minus, it is Cij, it is minus 12, so minus means plus, so 40, so V2 is also 40. And so now we check here something wrong, and so we have the values of u1, u2, u3 and v1, v2, v3 and v4. So u1 is 0 and u2 is 0, u3 is minus 12, v1 is 40, v2 is actually 32, 32 minus 12, that is 32 minus 12, it is 50 actually, 50, so here it will be 50. V2 is 50, V3 is 52, V4 is 37, V5 is 0. So now on the basis by using this Ui and Vj values, we try to find out the del Ij. Del Ij means the empty cells value. So del 11 is Cij Ui plus Vj, C11 minus U1 plus V1 by using this formula. So you know C11 is 42 and U1 plus V1, U1 is 0, V1 is 40, so 40 minus 40 is equal to 2. Okay, so in this way we can have del 1 2 and this for this, that is the 32 minus 0 plus 52, 0 plus 50, 0 plus 50, 0 plus 50, it is 48, it is 48. So 48 minus 0 plus 50 is equal to minus 2. In the same way, for this cell, that is del 1 3, it is 38 minus u1 is 0 plus 52 equal to minus 40. Del 2 to this 49 minus u2 0 plus v2 50 is equal to minus 1. So del 2 4 51 minus 0 plus 51, it is 37, so 37 equal to 40. Okay, so now del 3 4 is del 3 1. Now del 3 1 is 39 minus del 3 1 this, so minus 12 plus 40 equal to after calculation 39 minus within bracket minus 12 plus 40 is equal to 11. Okay, is equal to 11. Now del 3 4 this, so 4 3 minus 12 for u3 plus v4 37 equal to minus 6. Okay, now del 3 5 is here, it is 0 minus minus 12 plus 0 v5 plus 0 is equal to 12. 0 I am writing here, okay. Del 35 is equal to 0 minus 1 minus 12, sorry, minus 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. So we have del 1 value, that is 2. We have del 1 value, that is minus 2. We have del 1 value, that is minus 14. Del 2 minus 1. Del 2 14. Del 3 11. And del 3 minus 6. And del 3 is equal to 12. So out of these values, that is we have 2 minus 2 for del ij, minus 14 minus 1, 14, 11, minus 6 and 12. Okay, so out of these values, now consider the negative values. So minus 2, minus 14, minus 1, minus 6, and out of these negative values, the minus 14 is maximum. So we consider this cell, minus 14. For minus 14 comes from del 1 3. Okay, del 1 3. So del 1 3, del 1 and 3 this. So we put x here. And now we try to make a path. Try to make a closed path. Okay, try to make a closed path by using this. We'll start from here to here and here, this cell, and again this cell, and again here. So in this way, we can have a closed path. Okay, starting from here, from this direction. Allocated box is here, and this is the corner cell, and this is the allocated cell, and again we are the initial position. So this is the closed path. So by using the closed path, this is the plus x, this is the plus x we have put. So here we put minus x, here we put plus x, and here we put minus x. Now out of 2 minus x, the minimum we have to take. So minimum is here 100 is allocated and epsilon is allocated. Minimum is epsilon. So minimum is epsilon. So now we subtract epsilon from the minimum, from the minus x, and add with the plus x. So if we add with this, so 38 will have an allocated box, that is epsilon, and minus, we have to minus it from this epsilon, so it will be 0, there is no allocation. And also we have to add minus 100 minus epsilon is nothing, so 100. And we also here, this is plus x, so we add epsilon. Okay, so now in the next table, now by using the same procedure, we are going to check whether this optimal allocations are, whether the all allocations are optimal or not, and for this we have to find out the values of del ij, that is this for this cell, empty cells, for this empty cell, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So we have to find out the del ij. As I have mentioned, the del ij equal to Cij minus ui plus Vj, and Vj equal to Cij minus ui, and ui equal to Cij minus Vj by using this formula, as I have mentioned earlier. So at first we have to find out the ui and Vj for finding out the del ij. So ui now the maximum allocation, we consider the row or column which has the maximum allocation. So this column, this row, B row, has 3 allocation, and others column has less than 3, and others row also less than 3. So we consider this B row and we put ut equal to 0. And as ut equal to 0, so now it is the allocated box. So 80 minus 8, so 40 is a Cij minus Uj, u2 equal to 0. So it is 40. Now it is, now consider this allocated box, and this 52 minus 0 following the formula, because Vj equal to Cij minus Uj, Ui, so it is 52. And this is also 0 minus 0, so V5 is equal to 0. And now it is 52, V3 is 52. By using this, we can have this value. So 38 minus 52. 38 minus 52. 38 minus 52. This minus 38 minus 52 is equal to 12, minus 12. Okay, minus 12. So now, and as it is minus 12, so by using this allocated box, 37 minus plus 12, 37 minus 12. By adding this, we have 49. Okay, 49. So 49 is there. So 49 is there. Now V2, and this is 52, and this is allocated box, 100 is allocated here. So 40 minus 52 is equal to minus 12. Okay, minus 12. And as it is minus 12, this is also allocated. 38 minus 12 minus plus, that is 38 minus 12. So plus, so it is 15. Okay, so it is 15. So we have found the values of ui, that is u1, u2, u3, and v1, v2, v3, v4, v5. And by using these values, we can easily find the del ij, that is the values for the empty cell. So del 11, that is Cij, C11, 42 minus ui vj, that is ui vj minus 12 plus 40 is equal to minus plus, so it is 16. Okay, so now it is this cell, for this cell 1 2 48, 1 2 is 48 minus here uij minus 12 plus 50, it is minus plus 60, so it will be 48 is equal to 50, 60 minus 50, 10. So now we have to proceed in such a way that, well, so I have to check this ui and vj values again, and look, as I have put u2 equal to 0 here, and on the basis of these 40 minus 0, it is 40, and as it is 40, so here it is 0, and on the basis 52 minus 0 is equal to 52, and 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and now it is 52, as it is 52, and on the basis this, that is 38 minus 52. 38 minus 52, that is 38 minus 52. It is 14. It is minus 14. Okay, so we have made a wrong. 14 minus 14, and as it is a minus 14, so minus 14. So 37 minus 14. 37 minus 14. So it is 51. So here also it changes 51. Okay. This is the value. So again del 1 you know 42 Cij minus 14 40 V1 40. So it is 16. After calculation it will be 16. And now del 1 2, that is 48 minus 40 plus 50. So it is del 1 3 it will be 40, it will be equal to 40. So 1 2 1 48 minus 14 minus plus, so 62, so 12. So 1 2 del 1 2 is 12. And now del 1 3 del empty cell, del 1 2 del 1 1 del 1 2 del 1 5. This is the empty cell. So del 1 5. So del 1 5, the value of del 1 5 is 0 minus 14 plus 0 equal to 40. So del 1 5 is equal to 40. Del 1 5 is 40. Again del 2 2, now del 2 2 is 49. Del 2 2 is 49 on the basis of the Cij minus Ey plus Vj. So 49 minus Ey is Q2 is here 0 plus 50, V2 is 50, so minus 1. So del 2 2 is equal to minus 1. Now del 2 4, this 51. So for this 51 minus 0 plus 51. So del 2 4, 51 is equal to 0. Del 2 4 is equal to 0. Now del 3 1, this one, okay, 39. So here 39 minus U1, here is minus 12 plus 40, V1 40. So this is del 3 1. So after calculation it will be 12. So 12. Now del 3 4. So 40 del 3 4. Del 3 4 is 43 minus 12 plus 51. 51 is equal to 4. After calculation it will be the 4. So 4 del 3 4 and del 3 5. Del 3 5 means del 3 5 Cij is 0 minus Ey is minus 12 plus 0. So equal to plus 12. So 12. So we have del 1 1 is equal to 16, del 1 2 is equal to 12, del 1 5 is equal to 14, del 2 2 is equal to minus 1, and del 2 4 is equal to 0, and del 3 1 is equal to 12, and del 3 4 is equal to 4, del 3 5 is equal to 12. So among these values, that is 16, 12, 0, 4, 14, 12, 12, minus 1, only one minus 1 is the negative value. So as there is a negative value, so this solution is not the optimal solution. So we have to find the closed path, okay, by using the del 2 to cell. The del 2 to cell is here, this. We put plus x here, and make a closed path. So minus x, plus x, minus x, and this is the closed path. Okay, look. From here, putting the x here, we go to the next allocated cell, then next allocated cell, then again next allocated cell, and again we are in the initial position. So this is a closed path. And now by taking the negative values, negative x values. So this is the negative x, and here also the negative x. So allocated is 90 and 10. 90 and 10. So 10 and 90, 10 is minimum. So we are going to add 10 with the positive x and subtract 10 with the negative x. So if we add 10, so we put 10 here and minus, this is the minus x, so minus, it is 0, and if we it is a minus x, minus, so 80, and it will be 110 because it is plus x, it is 100 plus 10 into 110. So this is the 10, this is 80, there is no allocation, now 40. Now I am making another table with the by making it fresh, so you can understand it very easy. So I have made it fresh, and this is the fresh table, and by using the values I have found in the previous calculation. So look at this table, and as there is it is a time consume, and the video is making very long, so I have made it and I'm going to represent in front of you. So look, this is the allocation. 42 is the cost, 48, 38 allocated epsilon, 37 allocated 160, 0 is empty cell, 40 allocated with 80, 49 allocated with 10, 52 is empty cell, 51 empty cell, 0 allocated with 60, and 49 empty cell, 38 allocated 80, 40 with allocated 110, 49 is empty cell, 0 is empty cell. Now these allocations are optimal or not. Allocations are optimal or not. So we have to take shelter of the Dij, as I have mentioned. So Dij, you know, is nothing but the Cij minus Ui plus Vj. And Ui equal to Cij minus Vj, and Vj equal to Cij minus Ui. So by using this formula, and as I have mentioned earlier, that there is a maximum allocation in this row, and we put U2 equal to 0. As U2 is equal to 0, so allocation is here. So 40 minus U2, that is 0, is equal to 40 V1. Okay, the same way is the allocated box. 49 minus 0 is equal to 49, and this is also allocated box. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, so we have found this, and this. Now by using this, that is, this is allocated. So 38 minus 49, 38 minus 14 is equal to minus 11. So it is minus 11. So I have found it. As it is U3, we have the value, and 40 minus 11. So 40 minus 11. So 51. So it is B3 is 51. and now V4 is there. So as it is it is minus 13, we do not have it, so it is 51. So as it is 51, so 38, here is the allocation, 38 minus 51, it is minus 30. 38 minus 51 is minus 13, so minus 13 is here. As minus 30 we have, so this is the allocated works. So 37 minus 13. 37 minus 13, okay, equal to 50. So V4 equal to 50. Okay, so in this way we have found the Ui and V's values. By using this Ui and V's values and putting these values in the formula, that is Cij equal to that is Vij equal to Cij minus Ui plus Vj. So we have del 1 1, that is the empty cell, del 1 2, that is this empty cell, del 1 5, this empty cell, and del 2 3, this empty cell, and del 2 4, this is empty cell, and del 3 1, this is empty cell, del 3 4 is empty cell, and del 3 5 is empty cell. So del 1 1 is 42 minus 40 plus minus 13. So after calculation we have 15. Okay, we have 15, and for this 48 minus 49 plus minus 13 we have 12. For del 1 2 we have 12, and del 1 5 0 Cij minus 13 plus 0, so plus 30. Okay, so in this way we have del 2 3, that is del 2 3, this value. So 52 Cij minus 51 plus 0, so it is 1. Okay, so del 2 4, it is del 51 minus 0 plus 50, so it is also 1. Okay, del 2 4, del 3 1, 49 minus 40 plus minus 11, so it will be 10. And now here is another empty cell, so 49 minus 50 plus minus 11, so it will be 4. 49 minus 11 plus 50. Okay, 50 39 minus 39. So 49 minus 39. So in this way, del 3 1